Welcome to the unboxing and assembling video of the side step for the cargo and e-cargo cruiser. Hello? Oh, there you are. Hi there. Before we start, put your cargo cruiser in parking mode. Open the little carton box and unpack the side step and the fixing parts. Please, mind the environment and recycle the packing materials. For easy installation, ask someone to place a chair under one of the cargo cruiser wheels. We choose the right side because we cycle on the right side of the road. Now, sit down and insert 2 bolts, including a washer, in the holes under the box. Place the side step. Add a washer per bolt and put the nuts in place by hand. All you need now is a 10mm wrench and an M6 Allen key. That is all. Now fasten the bolts tightly, and you're done. Let someone help to pull away the chair and gently place the cargo back on the ground. Take a seat, release the parking mode, and off you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.